everyone. So I don't know what day of quarantine it is. I'm still technically working, not as much though, but I'm bored today. It's Friday. So I decided to do an apartment tour. A lot of stuff in here is normally not here because of the quarantine. Jay's had to bring his work home. We've had some home projects, so it's not 100% the way it normally is, so just a warning. But anyways, let's just get started. Hopefully you enjoy. Let's go. All right, so from the outside you see our numbers, obviously, a command strip from Christmas for the wreath. Gotta take that down. And then the mat. And then you walk in, obviously you see the living room first. Sorry, Chili, that's Chill. He tries to get out sometimes. So we're gonna start with the kitchen. So it's to your left. Trash can, baby's water, fresh catnip. It was Pepper's birthday the other day. I don't think she likes it though. Food, obviously. The refrigerator. I collect these. I think I have one with every single sibling now. Cabinets, microwave, stove. I love seeing an empty dishwasher. And yeah, pretty basic. Then I'm going to show you guys out here second. Obviously couch, 2 end tables, a little footstool. TV, cheesy ass puzzle that I got Jay, sorry about that car, for Valentine's Day. He has tons of other puzzles down there. Cat tree. And this is another eyesore. You're going to see a couple things in this apartment that aren't usually here, but because of the quarantine, we've had to do some arrangements. But these are his tools, except for that bag. But these are his tools. He's working on home projects and stuff, so it's kind of just temporarily there. And then you'll see a lot of kitty toys on the floor, sorry. So this is Chili's new favorite bed. Normally this isn't here, but Jay brought it out. And then normally that camera isn't there either, but to watch him from escaping if I'm like taking a shower or in the other room, I can keep an eye on him, or if Jay wants to watch from work, he can do that. So we have that there. And then this is fairly new, the tables and chairs and the screen. We've always wanted to come out here and just hang out, but with the cats, we were nervous. Also, we are the first apartment that faces the front, so like everybody that comes up can see us. It's pretty awkward if you're eating dinner and someone's just coming home from work or something and they're just watching you. I love this screen though, because from the outside you can't see me right now. So if I was naked, you couldn't see me, which I like to do often. This is one of the projects that he's working on, keeping Chili inside. Not ideal, obviously, but again, another temporary thing until we figure out what we're gonna do. That's my bike over there that Jay got me. I absolutely love it. And then you come back in. This is what you see. I feel like it's just so, I feel like that's so cluttered over there. So, then you go over here. This little hook for purses or reusable bags. Another cat bed. This is usually not here, but because Jay works from home, he had to set this up. So that'll go back when quarantine's over. His inverter. And then he actually made this poker table pretty cool, but we don't have anything. We don't have any room to use it or anything to put it on. Bought some boxes from home. Brought some from work. And then that board is to go on top of here at night so the cats don't get to the puzzle pieces because they do like to chew on them. This is the table. Can't really see with that board on top, but for puzzles we like to do them, but they take obviously longer than a day. So we will put this underneath the couch to kind of hide it while we're working on like a project, and then put that board over so the cats won't get to it. Nobody can see it, which I love. That's one thing I love, is just being able to hide your mess. So like I couldn't hide that for this video, and I wasn't gonna move that because we're almost done, so. But anyways, so then you come this way. You see the closet, coat closet, and it's pretty basic. Just some coats, vacuum cleaner, and luggage. and then you turn to your left. Then you hit the bathroom. Give you an overview. So this is another one of Jay's projects. I swear the title of this video should be Jay's projects. So this is a litter box. It's pretty much, he made it to keep the smell, the look, everything hidden, and it works amazingly. One of our friends actually asked how he did it. Jay gave him the products and the information, and he made the exact same one. It's pretty cool. And it keeps all the litter inside, as you can see. Then sink, pretty teeny sink, just a single one. And then toilet. Laundry. Sorry, it's kind of loud. Then you go back out, and this is the room. Our bedroom, I think, is the room that needs the most improvement, but one step at a time. I wish I had a headboard, but just a queen size bed. Dresser. He actually inserted everything. These were just open cubes, and he inserted all of these drawers and little doors. He also did the shoe rack because he has a lot of shoes. I think over maybe 50. I don't know, probably more. Mommy and Daddy. My favorite stuffed animal. Jay's filing stuff, like paperwork. Peppy's bed that she never uses. His end table. More shoes. Shredder. And then a little kitty hole, and then a scratcher. And then obviously the closet that I won't show you until I've organized it. But anyways, so the full overview of the room. Pretty teeny. And then the bed is just filled with like bins underneath it of like paperwork and stuff that we just don't have room for. So then we go back out here. You'll see blue tape on the floor. That's for the cords, so they're not so loose and the cats can't get to them. That's another thing that's temporary. Another eyesore. I didn't get to see Pepper. But anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much my apartment tour. Like I said, ignore the little things that have to be here temporarily. Normally this house kind of looks empty, especially without, like this, it frustrates me, but this would go, those boxes would go, that would go, that would go, that would go. But the kitchen, honestly, I think is the best representation of how the house normally is. Pretty clear, pretty clean, and yeah, and the bathroom. Let's do the bathroom too. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is quarantine life right now, but I want to get you guys an update video of where the fuck I've been for the past 2.5 years, but I've recorded it 16 times and I still can't get the right words out. It just, like, I've recorded this about 5 times. It's just harder. It's harder now. I want it to be like perfect, but it's not realistic. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Love ya, hoes.